Okay guys, now go to your Google Chrome browser. On the search bar, search for Google Store. So this is the search results. You have to click this first website, that's chrome.google.com. So just click on it. So this is the Chrome web store. So on this search bar here, search for blog sites. So this should be the next page that will pop up. Now click on add to Chrome. Add to Chrome. And also click on add extension. So as you can see, the extension is now processing. So let's wait for it. So the extension has been added. So this is the blog site. Now scroll down and click I accept. Also skip this, and so this is the main page, this is the home page. So let's try to block a site and check if it will work. So for example, if you want to block facebook.com, just type in facebook.com and click on add in. So facebook.com have been blocked, so let's check if you can access it.
Okay guys, facebook.com can't be accessed anymore. So this is how to block a website on Google Chrome.